Come on, girl.
There's her. One's on your nose. Oh, the colonel bird. I call them colonel because of their wings. Let's go. Ooh, turtle. Man, that's big. Lucy, where you going? Lucy, Lucy, where you going? Come on. Good grief. Oh, look. Cardinal. Oh. You can't see it, Lucy. Deer and her fawn. Pretty nice out here. Purple coneflowers. Oh, and lady slippers. Okay, okay, I'm coming, Lucy. Oh, look up, bikes. Looks like Mankato, Lucy. Oh, an eagle way up. This is emergency. You use the snack pen. I can draw something, Lucy. I'm really hungry. Do 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 do. There. There's Ben and Melvin. Melvin is attempting to skate. He's trying to rollerblade. And then comes Ben. And he runs. And he leaps. Oh man. Pretty good job. Except he's backwards. I get a letter from the Animal Postal Service. It's from Melvin the Moose. Work. Randy's in Stockholm. Deliver newspapers. Ben is fishing. Just say the word and they'll be at the Bagel Brothers coffee shop in 5 minutes. Ben the Bear wants bagels. Bring Lucy. Bill is fishing. He gets a letter from Melvin. Dun dun dun. Captain Bill, I'm coming for you. Mark will be at the Bagel Brothers. Melvin as the Mighty Moose. Dun dun dun. Back at the Bagel Brothers, of Mankato. Keith Adams greets customers, who is now the proud owner of Almer Cheese Company. Bill is a little taken back. Bill is delivered. Randy's about to be delivered. Randy's laughing. Randy's over Stockholm. Flying. Gigi thinks this is very strange. Melvin Moose wore a t-shirt that said, "Go kiss a moose, ladies," and Ben's t-shirt read, "Bear hugs for bagels." Randy and Bill enjoyed the surprise lunch at Bagel Brothers. Lucy did too. The Bagel Brothers closed in 2005, and it was demolished. So if we wanted to revisit our old memories, we'd have to go back to the meat section at Cub's Foods. But we still have the Red Jacket Trail, and the good Lord is still with us. The end.
What is that, Lucy? What do we got here? Woo! Look at that waterfall! Lucy, look! Wow. Oh, okay. You want to keep going this way?